In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate Asana tasks and projects to create reusable templates. If you're setting up the same workflows over and over, creating templates in Asana will save you time and make your processes consistent. We'll walk through a simple, repeatable way to duplicate an existing task or project and turn that duplicate into a template your team can use again and again. First, open Asana and head to the task or project that already represents the structure you want to reuse. This might be a well-built onboarding task with subtasks, or a full project with sections and timelines. The key is to start from something that already captures the steps and details you want in every future copy. Next, select the task or project you want to copy. For a task, click to open it in the right-hand pane so you can see its description, subtasks, and attachments. For a project, open it from the sidebar so you're viewing the full board or list. Take a quick moment to confirm it includes the elements you want carried forward, like checklists, notes, and any standard resources. Duplicating works best when your source item is clean and ready to reuse. Now use the three-dot menu to duplicate. On a task, you'll find the three dots in the top right of the task pane. Choose Duplicate Task. On a project, the three-dot menu sits near the project title. Choose Duplicate Project. Asana will create a copy and may show options that determine what carries over, such as assignees, due dates, or attachments. Pick the settings that make sense for a template, so your duplicate includes only what you want future users to start with. In many cases, keeping structure and content while leaving ownership and dates blank is a helpful default. Finally, treat that duplicated item as your new template and save it where it belongs. If it's a task template, keep it in a central reference project or a clearly marked section so your team knows where to find it. If it's a project template, store it in the appropriate team space so anyone who needs it can create a fresh copy when they start a new initiative. From now on, your team can simply duplicate this template instead of rebuilding the process each time. That's all it takes. Open the right item, select it, duplicate from the three-dot menu, and save the duplicate as your template. With this approach, you'll standardize your workflows and launch new work in seconds.